Hey there! Welcome to the journey of the fascinating world of professional attire. Firsthand, we are going to dive into the topic that is often overlooked by hundreds of people. That is the immense power, the psychology in the color of what you wear. Have you ever considered how to choose the colors of what you wear? Because this influences not only how others perceive of you, but how you feel about yourself. It is truly remarkable, let me tell you that. Let's unpack this first. First of all, colors speak in a language of their own. They have the incredible ability to evoke emotions and convey messages and even shape perceptions. In the professional realm, where first impressions are crucial, understanding the language becomes paramount. So let me start with confidence. I want you to picture a bold, strong color like navy or charcoal gray. These hues exude authority and confidence. They command attention without being overbearing, making them perfect choices for important meetings or presentations where you want to make a powerful statement. But what about approachability? Enter into softer tones like light blue or lavender. These colors are like a warm invitation, instantly putting others at ease and making you feel more approachable. They are a great way at wearing these colors for networking events or situations where you are building rapport. And over here, my friends, building rapport is key. Now, professionalism, I said, is a blend of confidence and approachability. Hence, finding the right balance is key. And it is that choice of color that you make which helps you strike a perfect chord and balance. Opt for colors like black, white, or shades of gray. They are timeless and sophisticated and always are in vogue. But here's the kicker. The magic lies not just in the color itself, it is how you complement the colors with your skin tone as well. Picture this, a deep burgundy against an olive green skin, or a crisp white shirt against an ebony complexion. When your attire harmonizes with your skin tone, it is that total and that look that is visually appealing but also enhances your overall presence. So how do you go in selecting these perfect hues for your professional wardrobe? Here are a few tips. Number one, know yourself. Understand your skin tone, whether you have a warm tone, cool tone, or a neutral tone. Knowing this can help you narrow down your color choices. Secondly, experiment. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors or combination. What works for one person may not work for another, and that's okay. It's completely fine. Find out what makes you confident and comfortable. Number three is seek harmony. Look for colors that complement your natural features. Pay attention to colors that make your skin glow and your eyes pop out. Number four, consider the occasion. Think about the concept in which you will be wearing the outfit, whether it is a formal business meeting or a casual networking event, or even a job interview for that matter. Let the occasion be the guide to your color choice. Number five, accessorize wisely. If you are unsure about diving headfirst into vibrant colors, start small. Add a pop of color with accessories like ties, scarves, or statement jewelry. Remember, your attire is more than just a fabric or threads that are woven together. It is a reflection of how you want to be perceived. So embrace the power of color, choose wisely, and let your wardrobe speak volumes about professionalism, confidence, and approachability. Until the next chapter, stay stylish.